Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is the Team Magic Beetle Baja 4S, and honestly this thing looks like a normal RC car until you pull the trigger and accidentally enter another dimension. And today, this is basically the perfect day for RC bashing. The track is dry, there's barely any mud, the grip is good, and for once the car might actually come home looking the same color it left. No swamp-like puddles, no mysterious mud spraying directly into the cooling fans. Just pure 4S chaos in ideal conditions. This is the kind of weather that tricks you into thinking nothing can break today. And usually that's exactly when things get expensive. Under the body of this Team Magic Beetle Baja you get a brushless 4S setup. Independent suspension, metal drivetrain parts and enough torque to completely disrespect your racetrack. Basically a dune buggy mixed with a caffeine shopping cart. The suspension travel is actually impressive. It soaks up jumps, bumps, bad decisions and occasionally my driving skills. Now Team Magic might not be as mainstream as some brands, but this Beetle Baja definitely has personality. It's fast, unstable in all the best ways, and somehow survives crashes that should legally count as insurance claims. And yes, before the RC purists start typing angry comments, I may have gone a little crazy with the upgrades. I added a bunch of custom 3D printed parts from JS Parts Germany to give this Beetle Baja a much more personal look, and honestly, the red parts against the original black and white Beetle body absolutely worth it. It now looks less like a regular RC car and more like something that escaped from a mad German engineer's garage. Everywhere you look there's red accents, red bumper parts, red accessoires, red details. Basically if Team Magic made a hot sauce edition, this would be it. And the best part, 3D printed parts on an RC car always gives you that dangerous combination of confidence and fear. But for now, this thing looks absolutely insane. And because overheating is basically the natural enemy of having fun, I also installed a dual Vitavon cooling fan setup. Because let's be honest, a 4S brushless system without cooling is just a very expensive toaster waiting to happen. And these fans, they don't just look aggressive, they sound like this Beetle is preparing for takeoff every time you switch it on. I also added chassis mudguards to keep as much dirt, sand, grass, tiny rocks and probably half the forest out of the chassis as possible. Because if you own an RC car, you quickly learn that dirt somehow enters places that should physically be impossible. So for now, sit back, grab a coffee or something a little stronger and enjoy some non-stop action with this insane Team Magic Beetle Baja. Because today we're not driving carefully, we're sanding it. Full speed, big jumps, questionable decisions, exactly how an RC dash session is supposed to be. So, what do you guys think? Would you actually buy one of these yourselves? Let me know down in the comments. Because honestly, this Team Magic Beetle Baja completely surprised me. This day proves you do not always need one of the giant mainstream brands to have an absolutely insane RC experience. The power on 4S is wild, the handling is fun, it looks amazing, and with all the custom upgrades, this Beetle has become something really special. I'm truly mega impressed with this Magic Beetle Baja. And honestly, I think this might actually be one of those rare days where the RC car I bring to the bash track also goes home in one piece. Not broken, not missing a wheel, not making suspicious grinding noises. Just retired peacefully because the batteries are empty, which in the RC world basically counts as a miracle. So, this is the moment the battery finally gave up first. Not the suspension, not the drivetrain, not my terrible driving decisions, the actually battery. What a historic moment. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video, because next time we're taking things to an even more questionable level. My Arrma Kraton 6S has been converted to 8S power, and I even installed a center diff locker. Which means there is a very high chance the next video turns into absolute chaos. So keep an eye on the channel, because this is either going to be legendary or financially devastating.